Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving week. Thanks for joining me again for another CVS deals video, and this is a brand new ad and we have some deals that is worth picking up. Make sure you're scanning the items to see what coupons or CRTs they're attaching before checking out. Check the description box below for a link to the Google Doc of all the deals I shared in this video in case you need them. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have will be on Gain products. Select ones are on sale for 2 for $15, no extra care box back. Pick up one Gain fabric softener and one Gain detergent. Both will total $15. Use a $2 coupon from Coupon24 app for the Gain detergent and another $2 coupon from Coupon24 app for the Gain fabric softener. The two coupons will take off $4 and you pay $11, making each one just $5.50. The next deal I have is on Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. They are on sale for 2 for $8 and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2, pay $8 and get $2 back, making them $6 or $3 each. If you prefer the 16-ounce all-purpose cleaners, they are part of this deal and the breakdown is the same. The 11 to 16-ounce post cereal are on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 1 honey bunches of oats, pay $1.99, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents, limit of 5. That means you can pick up 5 at $1.99 each. And when you submit to Ibotta, you will get $2.50 back. But if you're just picking up one, you will get 50 cents back, making it just $1.49. If you prefer the Great Grain cereal, they are originally priced at $8.29 and they are part of the ones on sale for $1.99, and on Ibotta is giving back 50 cents on each, limit of 5. The next deal I have is on Select Colgate toothpaste. They are on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 Colgate Max Fresh on sale for $3.99 each. Both will total $7.98. Check your app. We have a 4 off 2 coupon and you pay $3.98, get 3 back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. Select Crest toothpaste are on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 3, you get $5 back. Pick up 3. The 3 will total $11.97. Check your app. We also have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that you can use. Then you pay $6.97, get 5 back, making them $1.97 or 66 cents each. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on select Vaseline products, and the lip care is part of this deal. Pick up 2 2-pack Vaseline lip care priced at $4.49 each. Both will total $8.98. Pay the $8.98 and get 3 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on Maybelline Cosmetics. Pick up 2 Maybelline baby lips priced at $6.19 each. Both will total $12.38. We have a $4 extra care coupon that you can find on your app or you can print them from the red box machine. Using the $4 extra care coupon, you pay $8.38, get 5 back, and that will make both baby lips just $3.38 or $1.69 each. The next cosmetics deal I have will be on CoverGirl, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $6 back. Pick up 2 CoverGirl brow pencils priced at $6.29 each. Both will total $12.58. We have a $4 extra care coupon that you will use to drop it down to $8.58 and you get 6 back, making them $2.58, $1.29 each. My next deal is spend 15 get 10 back on Real Techniques or EcoTools cosmetics tools. Pick up the Core 5 brush plus sponge set from EcoTools priced at $15.49. Pay the $15.49 and get 10 back, making it just $5.49. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 4 back on any Neutrogena makeup remover towelettes. Pick up 2 priced at $7.79 each. Both will total $15.58. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $11.58, get 4 back, making them $7.58 or $3.79 each. My next deal is on Boardbees sheet masks. They are part of the buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 priced at $3.89 each. Both will total $7.78. Pay the $7.78 and you get 3 back, making them $4.78 or $2.39 each. Iris Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and they are part of buy 2 get 4 back. And I'll show you 2 options for this deal. The first option will be on the Soft Soap Body Wash. pick up 2 priced at $6.59. And with the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $3.95. These two will total $10.54. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.54, get 4 back, making them $2.54 or $1.27 each. The second option for this deal is to pick up 2 Irish Spring body wash priced at $7.49, and with the buy one get one 40% off, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $4.49. Both will total $11.98. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.98, get 4 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I have is on hair care and it's on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner, 12.6 ounces. They are on sale for $5.29, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner for a total of $10.58. Pay the $10.58 and you get 4 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next deal I have is buy 1 get $5 back on any Gold Bond hand and body lotion. Pick up the 3-ounce Gold Bond lotion priced at $6.79, $6.79, and you get 5 back, making it just $1.79. Your store will agree to price match. On the app, it's priced at $5.79. Pay $5.79 and get 5 back, making it just 79 cents. The next deal I have is spend $30, get $10 back. I have 3 options for this deal, but this deal is a limit of 1 per card per week, so pick whichever one that works for you, or you can mix and match how it will work for you. The first option is to pick up 2 Old Spice body wash on sale for $10.97 each, and 1 Dove men body wash priced at $9.39. These 3 items will total $30.97. Check your app. We have a $3 coupon for the Dove body wash and a 4 off 2 coupon for the Old Spice. The 2 coupons will take off $7 and you pay $23.97, get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $7 back for buying 2 of the Old Spice body wash. That will end up making these 3 body washes just $6.97 or $2.32 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 Tide detergents on sale for $14.99 each. Both will total $29.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. If you're doing this, ask your cashier and make sure that your store still follows the 98% rule. That way you get your extra care box back. Use the $5 off Tide digital coupon for the first Tide, and for the second one, go to Coupon 24 app and use the $3 Tide coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $8 and you pay $21.98, get 10 back, making them $11.98 or $5.99 each. The second option I have is to pick up 1 Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll Bar tissues on sale for $9.99 and 1 Tide detergent on sale for $14.99 and 1 Dawn Ultra Dish soap on sale for $5.99. But as you can see, my store is wiped out. I added this Dawn Dish soap as a placeholder, but if you're doing this deal, find the Ultra Dish soap. These 3 items will total $30.97. Use the $5 digital coupon for the Tide and a 50-cent digital coupon for the Dawn Dish soap. The 2 coupons will take off $5.50 and you pay $25.47, get 10 back, making them $15.47 or $5.16 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back on the 34-ounce Persil detergents. Pick up 2, they are on sale for $6.99 each. The 2 will total $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and you get 4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back, and it's a limit of 1. After the Ibotta rebate and the extra care box, these 2 will end up costing just $9.48 or $4.74 each. My next deal is on Palmolive dish soap. It's not giving back any extra care box, but it's on sale for $2.99. Pick up 1. We have a $1.50 off Palmolive digital coupon. You pay just $1.49 for it. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.